Juju Power, Orisha Voodoo inspired living. Mokie Bogboy Kawe Juju Power. Here's a little impromptu video for y'all based on you students asking me about good books to add into the reading list. And this here is the power reading list. Ashawani Okan, our culture is number one. And the deeper you go into it, the more powerful you will feel and become. So let's get into this reading list. Let's start with the great book, which is a direct and simple intro into the traditional spiritual culture of the Yoruba and African diaspora from Baba Ifa Karade Imoye, a definition of the Ifa tradition. I recommend this pretty much to everybody. You cannot go wrong with this book. It's simple, it's straight.